Aloha, you got Lanai with another edition of Wikibites presented by Tulip Luncheon Meat, and today we're going to make some simple Tulip Luncheon Meat lettuce wraps. I got a fire going here with some oil in the pan. I'm just going to put some garlic, get that going, put some onions. I'm going to let that sweat a little bit, and I'm going to cut some tulip, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dice this because we're going to put this in lettuce wraps. All right, everyone is always asking, why does Hawaii eat so much luncheon meat? Well, during World War II, we were introduced to luncheon meat, and we were poor, and we made the best of it. We made musabis out of it. We used it for everything. It's pork. If you like bacon, you're gonna like tulip. So we're just gonna cube them up like this, kind of like making a hash. Got some lettuce wraps going. What we're gonna do is you can use any kind of lettuce, Manoa lettuce. If you don't have Manoa lettuce, you can use butter. Iceberg works as well too. Let me just mix this a little bit here. This is going to be our base for our lettuce wrap. All right. Let's cut some of this more. You're going to use 1 can of tulip for this recipe. And I'm just going to add some things to it. All right. Put our tulip in here. I got some chopped up water chestnuts. Some chopped up water chestnuts. I'm just going to grab a handful or so and sprinkle it around. I got some sesame oil. And I got some soy sauce. Got some oyster sauce that I'm going to put in here as well. Ooh, that smells good. I wish you could smell it. And then I'm going to put some ginger, just a little bit of ginger for taste. And just for a little bit of heat. A little heat inside of that. And some green onion. That's it. I'm just going to stir fry this. All right, so you just want to get that all gathered together. It's going to get a little heavier because of the oyster sauce. It's going to get a little thick, I should say. You got the water chestnuts. We got that red chili sauce in there, some green onion, garlic. I'm going to turn that off. I got 3 lettuce cups ready to go. Real simple. All we're going to do is just fill this in, just like this. However much you want inside of there. Like that. Put a little more in this one. And then what I did was, I just shredded some cabbage, some lettuce, and just a little bit like that. Put it right on the top. And there you go. Tulip lettuce wraps. I did a little purple cabbage as well for some color. And there you go. Enjoy.